Good morning, guys. We are on Unit 5 in Principles of Agriculture, and we're going over plants this unit. This unit is just talking about understanding plant structures and systems. Um, it's a really beautiful picture of a lot of plants going together. Remember, plants are not just crops or things that we eat, they also include flowers, trees. The list goes on and on. Plants are very important to agriculture and to society. You can go to college and you could study plants. You would be studying botany, and so that's one of your vocab words. Botany is the science of plants. You could be a botanist, and that is a plant scientist. And then you can specify, so you could be an arborist, that's someone that specifies in trees. So from there, you can specify what plants, because they are so broad. So in this unit, you're going to learn about the parts of a plant, what makes up soil, which is very important. That's what plants need, how plants get what they need, and how they go from a seed to a mature plant. So how does a apple go from a seed to apple? You'll also learn which plants are the most important ag crops today. They're a little tidbit, and a lot of people do not know this. A lot of adults don't know this, the difference between a fruit and a vegetable. Okay, fruits have seeds, and vegetables have roots, stems, and leaves. Okay, so a fruit develops from the flower of the plant. So they come from the mature ovule and ovary wall, which is the female part of the plant. Vegetables come from the vegetative parts of the plant, the root or stems or leaves, like a carrot. This means that cucumbers in your salad are actually fruit because they have seeds. And if you've ever had a cucumber plant, you can see they have flowers, and the flower is what turns into the cucumber. And rhubarb on your pie is a vegetable, so it's kind of crazy. Um, I mean, you could get very technical and prove a lot of people wrong, but a lot of people just categorize fruits and vegetables based off of how they are and how they are used in foods and dishes and how they are placed in the grocery store. But to answer the all questioning or all ever asked question about is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable, technically a tomato is a fruit because it has seeds. And if you've ever had a tomato plant, they come from a flower. So the flower um, blooms, and then that turns into the tomato. So that lesson one is real quick. Next, I'm going to talk about the critical thinking questions.